cooking with Eliza today. Today I'm making a cute meat and cheese tray, perfect for Thanksgiving. Let's get cooking. First, we are going to start by making the turkey body. We are using a cup. We have extra cheese. Woo! Here it is. And now, let's do the head. We are going to use a smaller cup. Yeah. And voila! There is the beginning of our turkey. Now we're going to set it like that. Now we need to start by putting, oops, I broke it. Now let's start by putting these crackers. I broke it again. So I will put it. Just go all the way around his body. I think we'll need about 2 more. Perfect. There we go. Now what? Now let's add some cheese. I got a dog. The dog's name is Smokey. Okay, oops. Okay, this is the best. Okay, it's done. Next layer. So, now let's move on to the next ingredient. Let's do pepperonis. Pepperoni. Almost done. Done. We are going to insert a progress picture right now. Now, let's add some crackers. I'm putting it under, not over. My tray is filling up, but we are going to add 1 more row of meat. No. I didn't like the way that was looking, so we're going to try something different. We're going to start with the meat first this time. Add a big bunch of meat. Next row, crackers. It's easier working backwards. And that's okay, sometimes you have to. Perfect. Now, cheese! At the cheese, we accidentally forgot pepperonis. But this is way easier. So let's go ahead and do the pepperonis. Yummy pepperonis. Yummy, yummy pepperonis. Pepperonis. Yummy, yummy pepperonis. Yummy, yummy pepperonis. have any mozzarella? I feel like we're missing mozzarella. Time. We're gonna add 1 row of mozzarella. This is working out much better than before. Mozzarella, 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 mozzarella. Don't put the mozzarella. And it's time to add the body and the head. Body. I can't reach for the head. It's coming. It is almost complete. Final eye! Okay, we gotta get creative to make his eyes, nose, and face. I think for his eyes, we are going to use 4 black peppers. That's it. 2. Now let's give him a beak. He has a cheese beak. And now what? Oh yeah, his goblet. I think we're going to use a pepperoni, but I can't use another pepperoni. I'll check in the fridge if we have more. We got a little sliver of a pepperoni, y'all. Let's move the beak up and straighten it and double. And now let's place the beak on it. Perfect. And now what? The feet. The feet, the feet, the feet, the feet. Just go with the feet. 2 toothpicks for the legs. And now I'm going to take some of this cheese. And now we have the liver. And I just stick it in. And now the other one. Perfect. Ta-da! Now we are finally complete. Whew. Well, it turned out cute. So we learned something today, that sometimes you need to look backwards and sometimes it doesn't turn out. But we got it done. Thanks for watching. This was Cooking with Eliza. Have a happy Thanksgiving. Bye.
Perfect.
Yum. Let's destroy it.
Let's get a picture first.